Hello guys, welcome at Partilink booth at ISE. So today we are showing off a specific new products from Partilink. Here you have a video wall 2x2 which enable you to input 4 sources simultaneously on screen, and then you can output up to 4K 60Hz real 4K on the video wall up there. With this video wall, you can decide on customizing the display layouts as you like. You can see you can make a picture-in-picture free size positioning and position and size over the video wall. The good stuff is that with this video wall, you can make up to matrix, you can make a rescaler, you can have also 4K 60Hz 444 YUV simultaneously with this product, and you can even put on input a KM41, which is a multiviewer KVM, which enables you to display quad view or full view simultaneously, and having a very fast switching between the different sides of the screen, the control over one keyboard and one mouse. Thank you very much, and for further information, go to www.partilink.com. Thank you so much.